Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna attach the Smart Guard system. It's real similar to the Skill table saw that I had, seeing how they're both owned or made by Shervon. It is real similar in design. First thing we need to do, get the insert out. Bring it closer so you can see down in there. You have, let me get my hand out of the way. See this tab here? You have to make sure that is loosened. So it needs to be rotated up. Slide the system down using that slot. And I'll put you back and show you how it's done. Okay, we'll work from the back side here. This is rotated up, it loosens the system. Then you take, slide that down in place. Then you have to push that lever lock back down until it engages. And there you have that. Your Smart Guard system is in place. Okay, once that's installed, ran into a little hiccup. I can't find the anti-kickback device that was in there, but it's been 10 days since I unboxed this and I have no idea where it ended up. So we'll continue with the rest. You have your push stick. Again, similar to the Skill. It slides in the front. If you're not using this system, you have an extra riving knife that goes on the same way with the release lever that's underneath this deck plate. You get to it by pulling this up, take this whole assembly off, and then put the riving knife in its place